Hello and welcome. This is Safa. In this video, we will learn how to solve differential equations in MATLAB using ode45. This solver is one of the most commonly used in MATLAB and is very useful for dynamic systems and electrical engineering problems. The ode45 function is based on the Runge-Kutta method of order 4 and 5. It is used for numerically solving ordinary differential equations. Okay, example 1, first order ODE. Our equation is dy by dt equals negative 2y. Initial condition is y at 0 equals 1. Okay, run this code and you see solution of dy by dt. Okay, and next example 2, second order ODE, and our equation is y double prime plus 3y prime plus 2y equals 0, and initial condition is y at 0 equals 1 and y prime at 0 equals 0. Okay, run and you can see solution. In this video, we learn how to solve differential equation using ode45 in MATLAB. In the next video, we will move on the Simulink and create a simple model. Thanks for watching.